Strength in Shiba Inu Coin continues on despite the lack of, discussion surrounding the Bitcoin ETF over the last couple of days. And Shiba Inu Coin maintains those levels above 800 points per coin, which is excellent. But we've got people anticipating a burning of a zero. We've got people anticipating dropping that fifth zero and moving back up to 1,000 plus points per coin. And look, I believe we are right around the corner from that as well. I don't know if it's going to take an actual fundamental catalyst to get us there. A simple technical break from these levels could absolutely take us back to 1,000 points per coin. So I want to discuss that in this video because I'm seeing headlines now saying that Shiba Inu Coin, what does this one say? On course to erase another zero. And I think we could be on course to erase another zero as long as the cryptocurrency market continues on in the current direction. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you could buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges, so if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Because I'm actually excited about the cryptocurrency space for the first time in a very long time. These last couple of weeks, since all of the speculation surrounding Bitcoin and the ETF approval have been driving prices higher, you get that taste of the bull market sentiment. And I mean that with full sincerity. If you go out and you look at the fear and greed index right now, and you look at the actual cryptocurrency market sentiment, this is the highest level that it's been since Bitcoin and Shiba Inu Coin and everything was hitting those all-time highs back in 2021. So we are getting a taste of the bull market sentiment. And the good news is, if we're reaching these levels right now, coming off of a bottom, imagine the FOMO during the next bull market. If we're already at these greedy levels, and we're going to be hitting all-time highs. So Shiba Inu Coin absolutely does have a long way to go, and I believe that an overall move in the cryptocurrency market is going to get us there. So let's see what they're saying, and then we'll kind of bring it back down to earth a little bit with a different perspective here. It says Shiba Inu Coin, the SHIB currency, is currently on the brink of a significant milestone, with the community eagerly watching for that coin to erase another zero. Now, for those of you that don't understand what erasing a zero means, it basically means moving up one decimal place, and it currently sitting around 800 points per coin. It needs to jump up by about 20 to 25% in order to reach that 1,000 point per coin level and drop a zero between the decimal and where the numbers are there. It says, notably, the last time SHIB traded above 1,000 points per coin was in August, according to Binance's data, and that was on all of the Shibarium speculation. You guys remember that Shiba Inu Coin had jumped up to about 1,160 points per coin back in August during the Shibarium release, and then very shortly afterwards coming down 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 650 points per coin, and now it's making its way back up. So it talks about erasing zeros and a milestone within the Shiba Inu Coin community. And I want to say this. So I want to focus down here on the bottom. Factors fueling SHIB's ascent. The number one factor. There are several factors influencing SHIB's recent surge in price, but the broader cryptocurrency market is showing signs of recovery, partly due to the approval or speculative approval of a Bitcoin ETF. On Sunday, Bitcoin came close to surpassing that $35,000 level. And guys, if we test 35, 36 on Bitcoin, 40,000 is the next major level of resistance. And yeah, good luck if you think breaking through 35, 40, and potentially 45 is not going to cause a bull market, especially leading into the Bitcoin halving that is right around the corner in April of 2024. There are several key catalysts coming up that you don't want to miss out on in case they really do move prices higher. It says, however, much of the anticipation surrounding SHIB stems from the forthcoming announcements from its development. I hate when listen, I really appreciate these guys writing these articles, but I don't know why they ride so closely on Satoshi and Cal and Lucy and all of these people. They have nothing to do with the price of Shiba Inu Coin. Satoshi, a key figure in the SHIB movement, has teased significant changes on the horizon on his X account. And of course, we know that the SHIB self-sovereign identity is coming up. I mean, just look at the price action, okay? It's not like this article says. Shiba Inu Coin is not relying on Satoshi. Shiba Inu Coin is not relying on Lucy. Shiba Inu Coin is not relying on Cal. It's not relying on the SHIB token Twitter account. It's not relying on self-sovereign identity. It's relying on the overall cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin is ripping higher, Shiba Inu Coin is ripping higher as well. Now, knowing that, guys, the only level of resistance that we have to get through before we're really testing 1,000 is that 850 to 900 point per coin mark. From there, 1,000 will be significant. It will not be easy to drop this zero on the way back up, unless, of course, we get a massive, fundamental release about a Bitcoin ETF being approved. If a Bitcoin ETF does get approved, I really do believe one of two things is going to happen, and I would hope that it's this first one here. If a Bitcoin ETF gets approved, we are going to see millions and then billions, potentially tens of billions, and maybe one day hundreds of billions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin and eventually flowing into the cryptocurrency market because of these ETFs. That will absolutely, and the excitement of that will absolutely drive the price higher. However, if traders are playing some stupid buy the rumor, sell the news type of a game, we could see a little bit of a pullback once that Bitcoin ETF does get approved, because traders will be saying, well, that was the catalyst. What's next? Now we have to wait for whatever's next. Let's sell off now, take our profits, not hold this bag for a while, and of course prices might come down if that's the case. But guys, Shiba Inu Coin is on the verge of a technical break between 850 and 900 points per coin, and it will test 1,000 points per coin right after that. And if it, oh man, don't even get me started on what happens if it breaks that 1,000. We could talk about that in another video, but I want to know what you guys think. How long, since you guys ask me all the time, get your price predictions and your expectations for dates down in the comments below on when you believe Shiba Inu Coin is going to be breaking back up through that 1,000 point per coin mark. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.